LA Dave here with the rail installations on an old school skateboard. First thing is mark your board, line it up, grab your smallest bit, 5/32, drill directly through the rail. It will not enlarge the hole of the rail. These are Powell Peralta rails I'm using. After you've drilled the hole through, insert one of the screws that came with the sex bolts, holding the rail in place. Drill the next hole. Insert the screw in the hole, holding it in place, and then bend your rails to the shape that you want to the deck. Now we take the rail off, use the middle bit, which is a 3/16. We're drilling all the way through at the highest speed of the drill, and we are not pushing the drill through at all. We're just letting it go through naturally. Drill all the holes through with the 3/16. Then after that, we're going to follow through with the next size up, which is a 7/32. Change the bit out to the larger size. This is the size for the sex bolt. After you've drilled out all of the holes for the sex bolts, insert the sex bolts into the board and then screw the rails, screws into the rails, and then tighten them all down, either with a power driver or by hand. If you need them extra tight so they don't vibrate loose, use Loctite 242.